What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I install this wig that I got from Arabella Hair. This is a 5x5 24-inch lace closure wig. It's in the body wave texture, but I did flat iron it. So if you want to see how I install this wig, you got to keep on watching. So like I said, this hair is from Arabella. All their information is below in the bag. They sent me this elastic band for the wig, this wig cap. You get these lashes, this edge brush, and also an edge band and a little cute hair clip. This is what the wig looks like itself. This wig is different, one, because it has no clips on the inside at all, like none on the sides, none on the back. It's just a cap. But it's fine because it didn't slip off or anything. It actually fit pretty snug on my head. And it's a 5x5 lace closure. I did bleach the knots. This is what it looks like. And yeah, this wig is super thick. So let's go ahead and get started. So before you say anything, do not judge my hair right now. It's a little rough. We've been through some things. But anyways, I'm using this wig cap for my install. Typically I like the thinner wig caps, but I didn't have any more, so I had to use this one. But it's fine because this is just a closure wig install. It's not a frontal, so I'm only gonna have my hair out in the front anyway. And now I'm just taking my Got To Be Free spray, spraying a couple layers across the front, being careful not to do too much so it won't leave this white cast, and then I'm just gonna blow dry it. After the spray dries, I'm just going to go through and cut off the excess cap. I wound up putting the ball cap behind my ears so it can fit more comfortably, and then just cutting off the edges. I wasn't too concerned about how the sides of the wig cap looked because, again, it's not getting glued down or anything. It's just going to be under the cap, but I just wanted to make sure the front of the wig cap was cut really well because that's the part that, you know, is going to show. And then after I'm done cutting the wig cap, I'm going to use my Wig Dealer Extreme Hold glue, just a tiny little bit on the front, just to hold it down in place. Y'all, this lace tint spray has been coming in clutch. I'm just using it to spray the closure. Now let me tell you about this closure. I did bleach the knots, and y'all, I thought initially that I left the bleach on too long, and I actually wound up leaving the bleach on for like the right amount of time because I feel like this time it gave my closure like more scalp. I don't know, maybe I just haven't been leaving my bleach on long enough, maybe that's my fault, but I really honestly didn't even need to do the lace tint thing and all of this right here because I bleached my knots really good. So I learned something new. Now I'm ready to lay down my wig. I lied earlier when I said that the first glue I used was the Extreme Hold. This is actually the Extreme Hold. The other Wig Dealer glue is just their regular glue. This one is the Extreme Hold. Yes, there is a difference between the two because this one works a lot better. That's why I used the other one for my wig cap and this one to lay down the lace. Now I'm just pulling the wig down on the glue and I'm melting the two together using my hot comb and my regular comb and just, you know, finessing and doing what I need to do to let this lay down. After I do that, I'm going to go through with my my wig bond spray. I keep forgetting the name of this spray. Whatever. This I'll link it below maybe if I feel like it. Anyways, this spray here, I'm spraying along my hairline because I feel like even though the Wig Dealer glue is really good, I feel like it gives it this like little extra something to make it last like super long. So before we go any further, I just wanted to take a moment to show you how thick this hair is. I almost didn't want to flat iron it because of how thick it was, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. But I just wanted y'all to see this. So after I cut off the lace, I'm going through again with my Got to Be Free spray and spraying it along my hairline in the front, and it burns, by the way, because I guess I cut my forehead with my razor. But anyways, I'm spraying it along my hairline, and I'm gonna go through and blow dry it just to help give it that seamless look and get rid of that like harsh line. Even though you can still see it a little bit, I'll fix it later with like some makeup or whatever, but this really helps. So ultimately, I decided to do a side part with this hair. So now I'm just going through with my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just like, defining my part and making the top part of my hair flat. But y'all, I did not put any concealer or anything like that on this closure at all. This is what it looks like right after I bleached it, and I'm installing it now. I may have over bleached the knots a little tiny bit, but it's okay. I actually kind of like this look. In some spots, in the other parts of the closure, I can see where it was over bleached, but it wasn't over bleached on this side. So we're gonna let this side show. I'm getting ready to flat iron this hair in a little bit, but before I do, I just wanted to take one more moment so you can see how thick this hair is. And it's important because even after I flat ironed this hair, the hair maintained its thickness, which was so important. Anyways, I love this wig so much, but you're gonna hear about that later. Now I'm flat ironing the hair. I'm using my Bio Silk, and I'm just gonna brush it through the hair to distribute the product evenly. And now let's get into flat ironing. Pause. I know y'all see how thick this is. So I know I missed a spot in the back, don't look at that, but I just wanted you to see how thick and silky this hair is from root to tip. Taking off the elastic band is so satisfying to me. I don't know why, but anyways, do y'all see this hair? Do you see this hair? Don't mind me, I was singing Christmas songs, but this hair is so pretty and thick. But we're not done yet. Now I'm gonna get ready to do my edges. So just gonna let you know I messed up on my edges, and I was so heartbroken about that, but I kind of made them a little bit too thick on the side. I got a little scissor happy, but anyways, I wound up fixing it later, but just a little FYI. This is the moment where I realized I messed up. So while my edges are cooking underneath this band, I'm just going to go through and add some finishing touches to the front by adding some freeze spray and going through with my hot comb, just making everything look flat and seamless as possible. But this style is pretty much done. I decided to keep it straight and not curl it because I feel like I'm always curling hair. And this hair looks very, very nice straight because it's thick. So I just decided to wear it like this. And voila, this is the big reveal. I love this hair so much. I did go through and fix my edges right here because as you can see, they're kind of thick. So I just made them a little bit thinner because that was bothering me. But besides that, this hair is absolutely my favorite, my most favoriteest wig that I've ever had. Like, and I'm not even kidding you. Really, I have no complaints about this hair. Like, you can really see how soft and shiny and thick it is through the video. Honestly, it looks really pretty in person. Yeah, I have no issues with tangling or shedding or anything like that. It's super thick, very pretty. I have no complaints. I don't know what else to say. I really freaking love this wig. Like I said, all the information for this hair is in the description box below. So thanks for watching. Adios till next time.